Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've actually put anything up on the channel, so I've been a little bit busy behind the scenes. This is one of the things I've been on with, sorting out stuff to sell. So got a couple of Motorola GM350s in there. There's a bracket that goes with one of those. There's a Thunderpole T800 there. There's a Thunderpole T600 in there as well. There's this receiver here that I don't use. There's a Capo EA35 linear amplifier just in there somewhere as well. It's under that envelope with my awful handwriting on it. So I'll just take that out. There's this Perform GT5. Probably not going to use that anymore. There's this little trailer wiring thing as well that I bought for a car which I've used it on. The Radtel there as well that I've featured on the channel. PNI CB just under here as well, and obviously there's all power cables and microphones that go with it, and there's a Moonraker Miner 2 Plus as well. I'm going to put this back in the box. So that's all stuff that I've tested that I know to be working, apart from the relay for trailer wiring. I've not been able to test that for obvious reasons. So the vast majority of the stuff in there, well, pretty much everything in there, as far as I'm aware, works fine. I've got a box of non-working stuff as well, so I'll just go over here. It's just a couple of items in there, not including that. So we've got in here this Kernow Beta 2100 GTL with the faults listed on it. A Midland 779145 that's, I can't repair that. It's knackered. It's got the blow molded case with it as well, so if anyone's got a working one, they can have that case as well. And there's a Harvard 420 M here. It's a little bit knackered, we shall say. It will switch on, but there's a couple of parts missing and there's no lock on the VCO, and I can't get the VCO to lock. I've tried. So it's either useful as a PA amplifier, or it's useful for parts, or somebody could have a go at repairing it. So there's nothing I can do with it. There's the power lead here for the Kernow. There's no power lead with that, and not with that either. There's this mounting bracket as well, which is for putting antennas on roof bars. I can go into that box because that's the way it's supposed to go. So my plan is to sell that stuff plus some other things on the flea market at the National Hamfest in September, all being well. And this is partly why I've not actually got any videos out. Well, there's that, and then I got a phone call over at the end of the previous week from a friend of mine who lives in Scarborough. She wants to go to London, and I've basically said that it'd be better if she goes with someone. It's not a good idea for her to go on her own, because obviously it's a big city and I don't want anything bad happening to her, because I do care about my friends. Anyway, I will try and get something out. I do have those two little Bofung BFT1s, and I also have some Bofung PMR 446 radios to have a look at that haven't featured on the channel yet. And hopefully those will be coming up in the next couple of days. So hopefully catch you in them. 7-3 for now.